How do ideas shape a city? That's the question we're going to explore with our proposal for the City of Melbourne's Urban Technologies Testbed Grant. Hi, I'm Bonnie Shaw, Chief Strategy Officer and co-founder of Place Intelligence. We're a big data analytics and location intelligence startup proudly headquartered in the City of Melbourne. We've developed machine learning tools to harness massive data sets that unlock insights and drive evidence-based planning and design. We work all over the world to deliver place-based analytics about how people use places over time and why, to support evidence-based planning and decision-making that unlocks value and creates better places for all. We bring our expertise and advanced tools to power a collaboration with some of Melbourne's most significant institutions: the State Library of Victoria, Australian New Zealand School of Government, the University of Melbourne, Federation Square, the Science Gallery, RMIT University, and Melbourne Museums. The City of Melbourne celebrates these institutions and the wider Melbourne knowledge sector as the city's economic powerhouse, which has also deeply influenced the culture and physical layout of our city. This sector has been rocked by the effects of COVID-19 and the 2020 lockdown, resulting in serious economic downturns for Melbourne. And so together with our partners, we bring you our proposal for the knowledge that shapes Melbourne, to understand how the incredible knowledge and ideas contained in each of these institutions is picked up by people and carried around to shape the city. How does the idea of a triceratops stomp through the streets untethered from the museum? Where do the memories of Ned Kelly's armour rattle once they're liberated from the State Library? How do the stories of the eel traps told by Victoria's first people in the Bunjalaka Aboriginal Centre overlap with the ancient waterways that still flow under the streets of modern Melbourne? Where are the provocative concepts of perfection that the Science Gallery explores, reflected in the windows of our shopping arcades? We aim to reimagine our collective understanding of Melbourne from the perspective of how our vital knowledge institutions shape our city. We'll do this by using a range of privacy-compliant activity and geographic data sets to model the activity of the knowledge sector, revealing hidden patterns of how people interact with the city's major institutions over time. Then we'll connect this vast model to the open access databases and digital archives of these knowledge institutions to reveal the ideas and inspiration that people come into contact with at each place. From the deep place-based knowledge of our traditional owners to the globally renowned medical breakthroughs of the Melbourne Biomed Precinct. We'll map how these ideas interact and collide and tell the multi-layered data stories that have shaped our city over time. This data will be dynamically rendered and visualized in beautiful and engaging animations to create awe-inspiring visuals, which will be displayed at a mighty scale across the digital shard at Federation Square, in the digital bricks at the new Science Gallery, across digital billboards throughout the city, and via large screens at our partner institutions, and of course online, ensuring that this engaging spectacle is accessible and will attract vast audiences to visit and move around the city. Not only will this project create an exciting interactive event for Melburnians, but the visualization is underpinned by an accurate data model of the real macro patterns of activity of the Melbourne knowledge sector over time, which can be a vital tool to inform strategic planning and policy efforts to support Melbourne's economic recovery. So, if you like the idea of supporting a strong economic recovery for Melbourne, a big, bold, dinosaur-sized takeover of the largest digital screens in the CBD, and revealing the hidden patterns of ideas that shape our city, please vote for our project, The Knowledge That Shapes Melbourne. We look forward to sharing this knowledge with you.